Just arrived from Razor this morning. This is RC Era's latest micro helicopter. This is a 1/48 scale gyro stabilized Apache attack helicopter. Let's open the box. Let's have a closer look. So this is available in a couple of schemes, green predominantly or a dark grey, and I've got the dark grey scheme here, but as expected in the box we've got the standard RC Era radio transmitter, which has got 3 speed modes, emergency stop, all the trims and the 2 sticks. I've got 1 battery here, but you could order it with 2, I suspect. I've got spare blades in here and tools, and I've got I think rockets and missiles I can add on the side of this. But let's have a closer look at the Apache itself. So some nice scale detail on this. Look underneath and you can see it's got an optical flow sensor. But it looks good. We have actually got pilots in the cockpit, which is always nice. You get so many things these days where you don't get pilots. Okay. So double A's in the radio transmitter. Battery is charged up for this. Let's get it in the sky, see what it looks like. So there you go, that's RC Era's latest 1/48 scale Apache attack helicopter. Not ideal conditions to fly it this evening. I thought, it's the way at this flying field, it's on top of a hill. Back home it's 5 miles an hour, and you can guarantee it's going to be 3 times the strength of the wind when you get down here. So it was flying in 10-15 miles an hour of wind. In the highest speed setting, I switched to that straight away so that if I went downwind, I could get back upwind, which wasn't a problem. But then occasionally I'd get these thermal winds come through, which must have been 20-25 miles an hour, and it still flew pretty well in that. So a pretty impressive little helicopter, lots of scale detail. Does take a little bit of fiddling at the field to put the horizontal tail plane and the missiles and the and the rocket launchers on when you get to the flying field, because I think I'm going to find I'm going to have to take those off again to get it back in the box. The flight time was pretty impressive actually. I think I did 2 flights with the same battery, and I think I got between 10 and 12 minutes, I think, and that was on a windy day, so I think that's pretty impressive for a small battery. Anyway, next video I will fly this indoors in a windless environment, and I'm sure it will fly even better, and it'll be interesting to see how accurate it is indoors and if it can be flown in a small space. But anyway, the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.